Hello team, in this exercise you have to modify our previous script to automate the submitting of the recovered or hacked password over the HTTP session, and then we will send it back to the hacker machine where the end result should be a standalone file which can be used in post-exploitation or as a function integrated within your Python shell. So the end result should be something similar to the following, and I'm gonna start our HTTP server on the Kali machine to receive the hacked password on the target side. And here I will simply double click on the Chrome dumper exe file, and obviously we can see that we were able to hack the saved password remotely out of a Chrome database. And here we grabbed my Facebook email and password, and also my Twitter account as well here. Now if we move to the target machine, we can see that these are the two sessions that are currently opened on the target side. Okay, right now the second part of the exercise is to test our file against antivirus, and I will be using the well-known VirusTotal website and upload our Google dumper file. So let me navigate to our file here. Okay, so choose file, and it's on the desktop. Okay, here it is, and I'll click on scan. Okay, and here before the recording I was testing the script, so here I'm just click on reanalyze one more time. Alright, so only one antivirus could raise a flag out of 54. Now I would say that we got a fair result here, and if anybody can try and compile the script using PyInstaller and test it, then we could have a different result here. So please share your result with us using the course discussion forum. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.